Good morning, rise and shine. This is just a temporary video for the next live coming up. Just wanted to say good morning everybody, and we'll be coming to you live real soon. We are at the truck stop. We had to go night-night at the truck stop. Night-night, 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 night-night. So, just wanted to come up here and show you guys some trucks that we saw. Man, there were some bad trucks. Man, look at this truck right here, boy. Get yourself some of them super shrunkers and put it on that Ford. I'm surprised that Ford get old money with them tires, boy. Yes, sirree. That thing right there is something serious, boy. Yeah. Look at them tires, boy. Yeah. Woo! Big old tires. I can put my whole head in there. Hello, guys. How's everybody going? Yeah.
Wow, that's been through some mud. But not only that, but also...
Well, that sucker right there is something big, boy.
We'll go to the truck rally.
Check it out, man. We got our setup, you know, next to these big old trucks. Yes, sirree. But look at this bad truck. It has all these whamma jammas on there. Man, brand new. Right from the shop. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Got loads for days. Oh, there's all the pipe. There's all the pipe. There it is. We got all the pipe right here, guys. All the pipe. There's all the pipe, guys. Pipe. Yeah. That's old RV. Holy cow, look at this big old AC unit. Man, that must be for a big old building. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Then we all got Glory, and we extended her. And guys, don't forget to check out, yeah,